Alright, y'all, so what's up? Me and my brother got an ATV. We got an Artic Cat manual. This shit right here probably go. We haven't tested it yet, but when we bought it, it said this thing will go 85 plus, and it ain't ever lie. It's pretty good. It's fun to drive. I'm just not getting used to it. I usually ride dirt bikes and all that, or drive Polarises. I'm not really an ATV type of guy, so you won't see me doing any of these wheelie things or anything, seeing my videos on YouTube, because I'm gonna be real with you, I kind of suck. So I'm not gonna be somebody you'd watch if I did. But yeah, give me a little good view of it, because all his videos, he never took a good little look to show y'all. But I'm gonna do that time, show y'all what we working with. Alright, it's our little chest plate right here, if y'all can see it. But yeah, hang on, let me move this. We put it on our garage. It's our helmet. That's what it looks like. Hold up. Alright. What these look like. Pretty good. It's fun to ride. I'll start it up, let y'all hear it. Green light. I mean, it's in neutral. Engine light on. Sounds like yeah, pretty much what it sounds like. It's pretty fun to ride. YouTube Nicholas Corley, and you'll see a couple of videos of him riding. He's about to put a new video on about his 6 o'clock he learned to do. So yeah, it's pretty much all about it. It's fun to ride. Like, we live on an assload of acres, so we need this to get around places. Like, Beach just took my dirt bike or something, but I sold that. But let y'all hear it one more time before I end this video.